Hi, my name is Manuj Mittal, your career counselor for today. I'm going to tell you as to how one should go about when it comes to choosing his career. Now, this is one pertinent question which bothers everybody. Now, a student, the moment he comes in class 9th, 10th, even in class 11th and 12th, now everybody start asking this question, kya banoge munna? And then there are, advices, keeps pouring in from all across. Everybody suddenly becomes a career counselor. And that leads to a lot of confusion. Now, this model comes from a university called Yale University. It's known as API model, aptitude, personality, and interest. Now, the point is it should be your career, right? Now, every child is different. How can the career be same? So it should be your interest, your aptitude, your personality. Now, let's try and understand what is interest and how exactly it helps you. Now, if I'm interested in what I do, I will always excel in that field because you are passionate about it and you are likely to do in that field. Towards the end of the day, you don't feel like that you have worked. For example, consider a situation that Virat Kohli would have gone ahead and did his MBBS. We would not have known him. He would have become Dr. Kohli, right? So it is very important for an individual to identify his interest. Now, which is where, I would say probably on a part of a career counselor, it's an incorrect question to ask a class 9th or a 10th, even 11th standard child, but what are you interested in? Because the student would not know. So which is where you are expected to speak to as many people as possible, speak to career counselors, speak to people who are there from the industry, browse as many websites as possible, identify as to what exactly you will become after 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, what are the kind of salaries you will get, what profile, do your extensive research, and then probably you can say it is my interest. Right. Let's come to the second aspect, that's aptitude. Now, with every career, my friends, there is a certain aptitude attached to it. There is a certain skill set attached to it which helps you to do well in that particular field. For example, I wanted to become a chartered accountant, so I should be good at numbers. I want to get into mass communication. I think I should be either good at speaking or writing. I want to become a designer. I should be good at drawing. Let's take an example. It's been about 20-25 years when information technology, came in and, training institution, small training institutions started giving diploma certificate courses. People did 6 months Java course and a lot of people went to United States of America. Now what happened? Java became obsolete. 1 lakh Indians came back. People who had that relevant aptitude are still there and doing really well for themselves. So it's like you should move with the flow rather than move against the flow. Identify, do you have the right aptitude to pursue that career or not? Let's come to the third thing, that's personality. Now my friends, personality is not the way you look. It's not the kind of clothes you wear, it's not the kind of English you speak. Personality is the way you behave. It's basically insight, right? Let's take an example. In a school, a group of students, they come together and they approach their principal. Let us organize this. Some will do that. Some people won't do that. Somebody will say, no, you do that, right? So the former one has leadership traits, likely to do well in the field of management or armed forces. So it should be your personality. So let's summarize it once again. It should be your interest, your aptitude, your personality. So there is no hot career, there is no cold career, there is no cool career. It should be your career. If you choose your career, my friends, you are likely to do well. Thank you.